One agent is powerful. Multiple agents working together is transformative. Here's the core idea. One agent trying to do everything, research, write code, test, deploy, becomes confused and loses context. Multi-agent systems solve this with the supervisor pattern. You have one supervisor agent whose only job is to coordinate. It receives the task, breaks it into subtasks, and delegates to specialist agents. Each specialist agent focuses on one thing and does it well. The supervisor collects the results and assembles the final output. Think of it like a software team. The tech lead breaks down the sprint. The backend engineer builds the API. The front-end engineer builds the UI. The QA engineer writes the tests. Nobody tries to do everything. In LangGraph, you can build this with a supervisor node that routes tasks to different subgraph agents based on the task type. For your job search agent capstone project, we'll use this pattern. A research agent finds job listings. A company analyst agent researches each company. A writer agent creates personalized cover letters. The supervisor coordinates all three. This is how real AI systems are built at companies like Google and Anthropic. And you'll build one starting in video 11. Next video, the full roadmap. Everything you've learned, how it connects, and exactly what you'll build in the next 20 videos.